If you would like the original preset file, you can download it for free by finding the password in this tutorial. Detailed instructions can be found in the description. Let's begin. Open the light section. Contrast, +35. Highlights, -50. Shadows, +45. Whites, -35. Blacks, -50. Let's go to the tone curve. Make the following changes to the green curve. Open the color section. Temp, -15. Tint, -15. Vibrance, +20. Open color mix. Red, luminance, +15. Orange, saturation, +10. Luminance, +15. Yellow. Hue, -50. Saturation, -25. Luminance, +10. Green. Hue, -70. Saturation, -30. Luminance, +8. Aqua. Saturation, -35. Luminance, -15. Blue. Saturation, -40. Luminance, -10. Purple. Saturation, -50. Luminance, -10. Magenta. Saturation, -50. Luminance, -10. Open the color grading section. Let's edit the shadows. Hue, +32. Saturation, +25. Move to midtones. Hue, +133. Saturation, +14. Change the highlights. Hue, +212. Saturation, +26. Open the effects section. Clarity, -25. Dehaze, +30. Vignette. Amount, -30. Open Optics and tick Remove CA. And we're finished. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.